You know it, I know it, the world is online. Businesses crave digital marketing. They need it to survive, to thrive. Ever scrolled through Instagram, saw an ad and bought something? That's digital marketing, baby. This is your opportunity. You can ride this digital wave. Start your own digital marketing agency. Help businesses grow, make money doing it. It's the hustle, and it's totally within your reach. Forget the old ways. Forget the limitations. The digital world is limitless. It's time to build something new, something big, something yours. You ready to crush it? Let's go. All right, enough talk. Let's get our hands dirty. How do you actually start this digital agency? First things first, define your niche. What kind of businesses do you want to work with? What are you passionate about? Next up, legal stuff. Choose a business name, register it, get your paperwork in order. Don't worry, this part isn't as scary as it sounds. There are tons of resources online to guide you. Now, the fun part, building your online presence. You need a website that screams professionalism. Showcase your services, your skills, and why you're the best choice. Don't forget social media. Create profiles that resonate with your target audience. Listen up, entrepreneurs. One of the biggest mistakes new agencies make, trying to be everything to everyone. Don't be a jack of all trades, master of none. Pick a niche. What gets you fired up? Local businesses, e-commerce, health and wellness. Become the go-to agency for that specific market. You'll stand out, build expertise, and attract the right clients. Remember, it's easier to dominate a small pond than get lost in the ocean. Focus your energy, tailor your services, and become an authority in your chosen field. That's how you crush it. Section 5. Crafting your online presence, website, and social media. You're a digital agency, right? Your online presence needs to be killer. First impressions matter. Your website is your storefront, your 24/7 salesperson. Make it sleek, professional, easy to navigate. Showcase your services, your portfolio, and testimonials from happy clients. Don't forget a clear call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. Contact you, schedule a consultation, download a free resource. Social media is your secret weapon. Engage with your target audience, share valuable content, build relationships. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Choose the platforms where your ideal clients hang out. Section 6. The art of pricing, value your worth. Pricing, the dreaded P word. Don't undervalue yourself. You bring serious value to the table. Research industry standards, but remember, you're not a commodity. You're a problem solver, a game changer. Offer different pricing packages to cater to different budgets and needs. Clearly outline what's included in each package. No hidden fees, no surprises. Transparency builds trust. Remember, you're not just selling services, you're selling results. Focus on the value you bring. Increased leads, higher sales, brand awareness. Quantify your results whenever possible. Section 7. Client acquisition strategies that deliver. Time to get those clients knocking at your virtual door. Networking is key. Attend industry events, connect with potential clients online, join relevant Facebook groups. Get your name out there. Content marketing is your best friend. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise. Blog posts, videos, infographics. Become a thought leader in your niche. People will come to you. Don't underestimate the power of cold outreach. Identify potential clients and reach out to them directly. Personalize your message, highlight their pain points, and offer solutions. Be persistent, but not annoying. Section 8. Delivering the goods exceeding expectations. You landed your first clients, congrats. Now it's showtime. Communication is key. Keep your clients informed every step of the way. Set clear expectations, meet deadlines, and over-deliver whenever possible. Results speak louder than words. Track your progress, analyze your data, and present your clients with regular reports. Show them the impact of your work. Numbers don't lie. Client relationships are everything. Be responsive to their needs, be proactive in offering solutions, and always go the extra mile. Happy clients become your biggest advocates. Section 9. Case study, from zero to hero. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah was an ordinary woman with an extraordinary dream. She wanted to make a mark in the digital marketing world. She started her digital marketing agency from her kitchen table. No fancy office, no big budget, just pure hustle and a laptop. She had no investors, no mentors, just a burning desire to succeed. Sarah niched down, specializing in helping local restaurants get online and attract more customers. She knew that small businesses needed a strong online presence to survive and thrive. She focused on local restaurants, understanding their unique challenges and opportunities. She offered them tailored solutions that fit their specific needs. Sarah poured her heart into creating killer content, mouth-watering food photography, engaging social media posts, and targeted Facebook ads. She knew that visually appealing content was key to attracting customers. She tracked her results meticulously, analyzing every campaign to see what worked and what didn't. She was constantly learning and adapting. Sarah presented her clients with impressive reports showing increased website traffic, online orders, and foot traffic. Her clients were thrilled with the results, and word of her success spread quickly. Within a year, Sarah's agency was booming. She had a team of rockstar marketers working alongside her, each one bringing their own unique skills and expertise to the table. Together, they were helping local restaurants thrive in the digital age. They were not just service providers, but partners in their clients' success. Sarah's story is proof that with hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. She turned her dream into reality and inspired others to do the same. So if you have a dream, no matter how big or small, remember Sarah's journey. With passion, perseverance, and a bit of creativity, you too can go from zero to hero. Section 10. You got this. Embrace the grind and hustle. This journey is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to dream big and work tirelessly to make those dreams a reality. Starting a digital marketing agency is not for the faint of heart. It requires a vision, a plan, and the courage to take risks. It takes guts, determination, and a relentless work ethic. You need to be prepared to put in the hours, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep pushing forward no matter what. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments where you want to throw in the towel. But don't. Embrace the grind. Embrace the hustle. These obstacles are just stepping stones on your path to success. The rewards are worth it. Every late night, every early morning, every moment of doubt will be worth it when you see your vision come to life. You're building something from the ground up, something that's entirely yours. This is your creation, your legacy. You're calling the shots, you're making the rules, and you're creating your own success. You have the power to shape your future. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are others who have walked this path before you and others who are walking it with you now. There's a whole community of entrepreneurs, marketers, and dreamers out there cheering you on. They understand the struggles and the triumphs, and they are there to support you. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Take that first step, and then the next, and keep moving forward. Go out there and crush it. Your dreams are within reach, and with hard work and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Section 11. Recap your digital agency blueprint. We covered a lot of ground today. You learned what a digital marketing agency is, why it's a killer opportunity, and how to build one from scratch. We talked about niching down, crafting your online presence, pricing your services, and landing those first clients. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But you got this. Embrace the grind, stay focused on your goals, and never be afraid to ask for help. Now go out there and make your mark on the digital world. I'm rooting for you.